Over the last couple of weeks, I've had a lot of people asking me, Rachel, I want to start a crochet business, but I don't know what to make. So, in this video, I'm going to show you one program that can change all of that for you. It'll give you a hint and it'll show you a guide to what people are actually searching for and the products that you should be making in order to grow your business. Okay, real quickly. All the links for this video will be in the description box below. So if you're looking for this program, I will leave it listed below. Oh, keep doing that clicking noise. Alright, so Etsy is one of the biggest online platforms for creators to be able to sell their handmade products. If you're looking for products to sell, what you can do, and the simplest way to do, to be perfectly honest, is to type in, say you're looking to create crochet beanies. Okay, you've got 60,000 results for crochet beanies. Now you can go through and you can see your average ratings for products that people have made, and you can see just by the ratings how popular they are. So for example, this one here by Easy Design has had 2,861 ratings, which means at least 2,861 people have purchased this product. But if you want to get really technical and you want to find products that actually are being searched for and consumers are looking for, I'm going to show you a little trick. Up here in the corner, we have a little program called Keywords Everywhere. Now, Keywords Everywhere is a paid program, and you pretty much load credits onto it and you're able to then search keywords. Keywords are what creators use when they're posting a product to link what people are searching for to the product that they're posting, essentially, in the short form. So when we go over here and we type in crochet patterns, okay, you can see straight away the little patterns pop up. What I'm looking for, and every time I'm searching something online, this is what I look for. Over here, you have the volume, you have a word volume, and 4400/MO. Now this is the amount of people, sorry my feet, this is the amount of people that are searching this exact key phrase, so two keywords put together, a key phrase, per month. Okay, so we can use this as a guideline to then break down the kind of products that we're going to create. So if we wanted to create a crochet blanket, this program will now show you exactly how many searches per month these most search terms are coming up with. So say you wanted to make a granny square blanket, okay? You weren't sure people were actually looking to purchase a granny square blanket. We're on Etsy. We know that people are looking to buy. Now, whether you make the blanket or you make the pattern for the blanket, 720 people a month are searching for granny square blankets. So if you create patterns and you want to sell them online, or you create the actual blanket and you want to sell it online, you have 720 chances for someone to click on your product. Now, on the smaller end of it as well, you can also go to crochet blanket large. Now this is Afghans. So if we were to change the word to crochet Afghan, you've got 200 people searching for the pattern the month and 66 people searching for the actual product. Now, when you're doing that as well, you can also, this goes for anything. This is not just crochet. If you wanted to do decal mugs, so you can type in decal mug. 20 people a month are looking for exactly a decal mug. If you wanted to do grocery bag, 480 people a month are looking for a grocery bag. What about a crochet bag? There you go. 1,300 people a month are looking for either the pattern or the actual product of a crochet bag. So using this information, you can then take that to say, okay, in my business this month, we're coming into Christmas. So I'm going to bump up making crochet baby blankets because my neighbor might have a niece or nephew or granddaughter or grandchild that's due come Christmas. My sister, the guy down the street whose brother who also is having a baby are looking for crochet blankets. Halloween has just been, so a lot of people were searching for crochet pumpkins, as you can see right here. It's there. The figures show you that it's there. By far the most popular thing on Etsy is crochet blankets because they are a little bit more time consuming than other crochet products. But if we type in a product like crochet top, the crochet top itself, we're coming into summer. People are going to love wearing the little crochet bits and bobs, swimming out and about. It's very fashionable now for young people. I mean, even if we just scroll through this piece here, and this piece here are ideal for teenagers these days. So if you found value in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And for more tips and tricks on how to market your business and other little programs like this that will help you grow your business, make sure you follow this channel. Until next time, see ya.